Most budget wireless earbuds follow a remarkably predictable formula. They try to completely isolate you from the world with tight silicone ear tips, promise to block out the noise of your morning commute, and pump heavy bass directly against your eardrums. It's a formula that works, but it can also feel incredibly claustrophobic after an hour or two. But every once in a while, I run across a design that pulls in a different direction, and the Moondrop Pudding focuses on baking all of the brand's audio pedigree into a daily driver format that balances audiophile tuning with genuinely daily usability. Striking that balance is usually a massive challenge at this price point because when companies pile on features like noise cancelling and high definition codecs, the soul of the music often gets lost in translation. So when I first unboxed these and looked at the charging case, the visual identity struck me as instantly distinct. It is a dual layer, translucent design at the top here. It feels incredibly clean in my hands, entirely avoiding that boring cheap gloss plastic look that dominates the budget market. However, depending on the variant that you choose, it might not be the most discreet looking true wireless earbuds out there, especially if you opt for the striking yellow version which I have here, which looks far more elegant in person than in flashy stock photos. Also, I do notice that the plastic up here does get scuffed up and fingerprinted a lot, so that's something to take note of. So moving on to the earbuds themselves, they do have a secure fit, but the included ear tips here feels quite basic and standard. And I quickly realized that your physical fit here has a massive significant impact on the final sound signature, so taking a moment to twist them into the perfect angle or rolling it into your own preferred tips is absolutely crucial to getting the best performance. So living it with these on a daily basis highlights just how much wireless stability has matured. The earbuds utilizes Bluetooth 6, which establishes an incredibly robust and instantaneous connection the second I open the lid. The connection supports standard SBC and high-quality AAC protocols, but the real star here is the full compatibility with LHDC. Walking through crowded environments or leaving my phone on my desk while walking around the house or the office presents zero dropouts or stuttering, confidently covering a stable 10-meter transmission distance. So my daily usability is further streamlined with the dual device multi-point connectivity, letting me switch effortlessly between my laptop and incoming calls on my phone. The touch-sensitive faceplates are very responsive, although they can sometimes be triggered accidentally when you are trying to adjust the fit in your ear, so a bit of care is needed when handling them. So where this modern wireless architecture really shows its utility for me is handling wireless lag. By default, the earbuds operate in a dedicated music playback mode, prioritizing maximum audio bandwidth and connection stability. However, when you quickly turn it into low latency gaming mode, it knocks down the lag to about 60 milliseconds if I am watching fast-paced video content, editing quick audio timeline clips, or playing casual competitive games. The annoying disconnect between audio and visual completely disappears. So one of the biggest surprise here is the active noise cancellation, and at this price point, ANC is usually a generic afterthought, but Moondrop has implemented a remarkably effective real-time adaptive ANC system powered by a 4-microphone array. It continuously monitors the in-ear noise conditions through internal microphones and dynamically compensates for environment changes in real time. For this price, the ANC is very impressive, doing an admirable job of silencing the low rumble of public transit or the ambient hum of my office fan. When I need to stay aware of my surroundings, the natural transparency mode uses an optimized pickup algorithm that keeps voices and ambient sounds sounding clean and realistic rather than artificially overprocessed. When it comes to the actual acoustics performance, this is where Moondrop's tuning mastery shines, delivering a very pleasant, balanced sound signature that is incredibly easy to enjoy for hours on end. A 10mm dynamic driver built with an N52 neodymium magnetic circuit, as well as a composite damping nano titanium crystal dome diaphragm. Listening to the sub-bass, there is a deep, highly satisfying presence with excellent texture. It provides a proper physical low-end foundation that handles electronic tracks, cinematic cinematic scores and with real authority, entirely avoiding that muddy, bloated mid-bass warmth that budget earbuds often use to mask a lack of resolution. The mid-bass remains agile and precise, giving kick drums a distinct rhythmic punch that never bleeds into or overwhelms the lower mids. This clean low-end transition creates a beautiful open space for the mid-vocals. Both male and female vocals are rendered with an impressive level of clarity and crisp definition, something intimate and lifelike rather than recessed or dry. Moving into the highs, the treble response is extended and beautifully detailed, capturing the shimmer of cymbals and acoustic strings instruments with remarkable speed. However, it's worth noting that the upper frequencies can feel slightly intense or forward for some users who are particularly sensitive to treble brightness. Thankfully, the sense of scale and space helps balance this out beautifully. The soundstage is exceptionally wide and atmospheric for a wireless budget set of this size, spreading instruments naturally to the far left and right instead of keeping them trapped inside my head. Within this expansive stage, the sound imaging is incredibly accurate, and I can easily pinpoint placements of acoustic guitars, the subtle positioning of backup vocals, and the separation of a complex drum kit. It's a highly technical, remarkably mature presentation for earbuds of this caliber, especially coming from Moondrop. So this is a test to see if the Moondrop Pudding is a good earbud for making phone calls. So this is me speaking in a relatively quiet environment, and this is the call quality that you can expect. So what I'm going to do now is to turn on a simulated background noise so you can hear a difference. So now there's a simulated background noise playing in the background, and this is the call quality that you can expect from these earbuds. So what do you think of the call quality? Let me know in the comment section down below. So volume scaling across the board is exceptionally well balanced thanks to the high efficiency of the N52 magnet circuit. These earbuds deliver plenty of power. I get a linear, highly predictable volume curve that provides a satisfying full-bodied listen even at moderate percentages. It leaves me with more than enough internal headroom to push through louder external environments without forcing the amplifier into clipping or causing audible distortion at louder volumes. So to tailor the experience to my specific preference, the hardware integrates fully with a revised, highly complete Moondrop companion app. Through this clean mobile interface, I can also completely customize the earbud or set up any parametric EQ. And adding on to the overall charm of these earbuds, the system features customized anime voice prompts that add a unique personalized character to every pairing and mode transition. You also get to adjust ANC intensity, map out gain and codec settings, as well as update the firmware of the earbuds. So power management is incredibly competitive and stands out when you are comparing earbuds. On a single charge with AAC running, the earbuds deliver an impressive 12.5 hours of continuous music playback on their own. When I factor in the charging case, I get an additional 41 hours. The case charges using a standard USB-C port, meaning I can easily top it off using any standard phone charger, ensuring that I rarely left caught without my audio. So the Moondrop Pudding makes an incredibly strong case for itself by providing one of the most complete budget true wireless packages. It skips the usual compromises of the category by delivering a very effective adaptive ANC system, full multi-point connectivity, and incredible battery life. While you might want to swap out the basic ear tips to secure the perfect seal and watch out for the occasional accidental touch control trigger, the trade-off is absolutely worth it. And you also get a spacious, pleasant, high-resolution sound signature that is simply a joy to listen to every single day. So if you find this video helpful, please consider liking this video and subscribing to the channel. If you want more videos like that, check out these videos up here.